Hello, this is Mr. Goalies, and we're adding on to our SMART goals. We are adding the E and we are adding the R. We are using this E for exciting, and for us, it's something that's going to motivate you internally. It's going to make you excited about this. It's going to inspire you. It's going to drive you to want to accomplish this goal. So you can paraphrase that. And then for R, since we already have relevant up here, we're going to use this R as our last R in smarter, which is risky. And I just encourage you to think about video games. If you don't have a challenging game, you get bored of it, you don't want to play because it's too easy. The same is true with our smarter goals. If you aren't challenged, the number one reason you're going to fail is that you aren't challenged. It's not having too hard of a goal. It's having too easy of a goal. So we want to make sure there is some type of calculated risk involved in our goal.